Hi, I'm Hitesh Oberoi, the co-promoter, MD and CEO of InfoEdge. We started life in 1997. Today we are also an investor in other internet companies like Zomato and Policybazaar. Naukri is our largest business. We are a clear leader with 70% market share. Our second largest business is 99acres.com. And then of course we also own jeevansathi.com and shiksha.com, which is a site to help students figure out colleges and courses and careers. So there's a lot of opportunity for growth in this sector, and we are sort of uniquely positioned. We have these businesses which are growing fast, and we are sitting on a lot of cash which we can invest to build new businesses as well.
At InfoEdge, it's a very open and very transparent environment.
The work environment is very friendly.
We are not a very hierarchy-conscious culture. We believe ideas can come from anywhere.
Always keen to help, always very supportive, always backing you up. Inquisitiveness is welcomed by our mentors.
They are highly approachable.
They give us ample autonomy to work and perform our given tasks.
InfoEdge is a place to learn and grow.
Every day is a new day for you.
InfoEdge has that strong core values.
It's a platform where you can fall and rise.
Every day is different and challenging from the previous one, and it's a great opportunity to learn here.
I joined Naukri from campus in 2001. I joined as management trainee. Over the years, as the organization grew, as the business grew, I was given additional responsibility to handle a team. So from a management trainee, became a team leader, and then after that, became a zonal head, and today I am a senior vice president.
It's been an amazing journey.
It's been a roller coaster ride, full of challenges.
If you are doing well, you are being rewarded the same way.
Any potential employee who has the ability, who has the capability, who doesn't believe in status quo, can become a future leader in the organization.
In a few years, you'll sort of learn more than what you would learn at any traditional company because of the exposure we provide to you.
It provides a great platform for future perspective of an individual. I think this is the perfect company to launchpad your career.
All the new people coming in, yeah, it's sales. But if you are passionate about sales, then it's InfoEdge. So it's an incredible platform to work with incredible people and build great clients.
It gives you a fast career growth.
If you're willing to sort of work hard, then we are the place for you.